You can't heal and do deprivation at the same time. Not when you are being called into this deepest core wound healing that is literally most often about the deprivation of a mother's love. You can't heal and deprive yourself at the same time. A common theme that I see in my clients, and most of them are women, is this whole good girl syndrome that becomes the belief, that becomes the identity. I'm going to be a good spiritual person and not eat meat. I'm going to be a good host for my body, a good steward of my biology, and I'm not going to have alcohol, and I'm not going to have sugar, and I'm not going to have, and I'm not going to have, and I'm not going to do, and I'm not going to go, and I'm not going to, all of the things that I kind of call the good girl syndrome really are more deprivation layered on top of the deepest core deprivation of a mother's love that is looking to be healed. So, this is why diets don't work. This is why doing anything at all that is depriving you in any way, shape, or form, or could be perceived by you, despite the fact that there is lots of research and content and intellectual support for why you shouldn't do a certain thing or have a certain thing or eat a certain thing, it doesn't matter. What matters is that the core of the core is asking to be filled, and it already has had it up to here with deprivation. So eat the ice cream, drink the glass of wine, have the hamburger, stay up really late watching shit on TV, sleep all day, break the rules, have some fun with your inner child, and stop with all the deprivation. There is no getting this right. There is only getting through, and you cannot heal from the deprivation of love if you are living in a container of more deprivation.